Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Zoho Books with Xero. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I recommend to use and when you should use Xero or when you should Zoho. The next thing I'm going to talk about are pricing plans, like what I actually recommend to use and when. And the last thing, I'm going to show you the features, like how it feels to use Zoho and how it feels to use Xero. I would use definitely Xero if I would have a mid-sized business and if I want to have employees. Xero is really great with integration with other accountants. Now, Zoho, on the other hand, I would definitely use if I'm going to be alone. If I have a really small business, if I'm just starting out, Zoho is really great for it. Also, another huge advantage to Zoho is that it got better customer support comparing to Xero. And the second thing is that you can actually integrate it with other Zoho ecosystem like CRM, with pipelines, also with like email marketing, whatever, that you can actually use the full features in Zoho. So that's like thumbs up for Zoho comparing to Xero. Now, let's talk about the pricing plan. But in my opinion, the payroll is much better on Xero. What you can actually do. First thing first, pricing plans. You get $11 a month, up to 50 contacts, 2 users, 5 automate workflow, but $25, like €11, costs you the standard version, but it's really important that you have a bills in standard version. So if you need these things like reporting tax, purchase approval, you need to go with the standard version. On the other hand, pricing of Xero got two options. The first one is when you're targeting the US, and that's 11 USD. Yes, first 2 months are 550, but it's 11 USD per month. But you can track projects here, and you can use multiple currencies, and you can claim expenses. But in growing, that's $16, like $32 a month. It's like really expensive comparing to Zoho. You can enter bills unlimited, and you can send multiple invoices. So if you want to send more than 20 invoices and enter more than 5 bills, you need to go with the growing. That's like $32. Or it's $30 if you're not from the US and $20 for starter. Now, to go further and to compare how it actually feels to use Xero and Zoho. So in Zoho, it's really similar. You got a dashboard, cash flow, income and expenses right here, and then projects. On Xero, you see it here that you got checking account, savings account, account watches, invoices owed to, total cash in and out, and bills you need to pay. So this is the beginning. Also, the Xero got menu on top, and Zoho has it on left side. Now, also what I wanted to show you is like items. In Zoho, you just go to left, items, and click items plus. In my opinion, by the way, Zoho is much easier to use comparing to Xero. Here you need to go to business and go to products and services. And you just click new item here and you just add it. So this is similar. Then again, you got price list, inventory adjustment if you want to cancel. You can again inventory adjustment. Then you got banking here. Again, this is the same thing that when I would go to accounting and choose bank accounts, and I can simply add a new bank account. This is the same with banking. Then we got the sales here that you can simply add the customers here. I really think that this is much more clean, but I think that Xero is winning here because when you just go to contacts and click all contacts here, you get everything together, right? That you see all contacts and you can just see between customers and suppliers, and you don't have to click anywhere. In Zoho, you have to actually come to customers, then you need to go to purchases and find vendors here. So this is the first thing. Then you got estimates here that you can do, or retainer invoices, sales orders, or simpler invoices. Click just create invoice new and just add here everything. And when we go to Xero, I click on business, invoices quote, we see it right here. Invoices, I can go with a new credit note, say it's 10 pence, or new repeating invoice or new invoice. And it's really similar. So this is how it feels to use Xero and how it feels to use Zoho Books. To go further, then you got payments received, recurring invoices, and credit notes. This is really similar to Xero. The one thing is that you can get payment received, so that's great. Then you're gonna see purchases here. Vendors, again, it's same as Xero when I go to contacts and suppliers, right? And then expenses. that you can add, recurring expenses, and same with business, bills to pay, bills, and I can simply click create a new bill, and I can add a bill, order name and everything, and I can click new bill here, new repeating bill. This is really similar. And then you got a payment made, recurring bills, vendor credits. Then the next things are time tracking. So time tracking, I can click start. So this is where the Zoho is winning, because in time tracking you can actually track your time. In Xero you can do that. When I go to all projects, I can simply click on my project and I can add task time entry. You can actually track the time. In here I can start timer, see? Or you can log the time, or you can simply click on a project. And again, it feels much smoother to see it on Zoho comparing to Xero, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Then to go further, you see timesheet here of everything, of every user. And then you get like accountant here that you can have like menu journals, currency adjustment, chart of accounts, transaction logging. These are the same things that you have in Xero. When you would go to accounting, bank accounts, and I can simply go to reconcile 26 items, and I can simply reconcile it. I really think that this is easy in Xero to do. And then you're just gonna click on Xero, on reports in Zoho Books, and you see all the reports here. And I can do that same in accounting, and I can go to reports. And look at this, I got also literally everything here. So balance sheet, I have it here, profit and loss, cash flow statement, cash summary. And that's pretty much it. So they're both okay-ish. Xero is in some way complex in my opinion. The learning curve is higher, but I would definitely use it with gusto if I want to do the payrolls. And I would definitely go with the Zoho Books if I'm starting out. And the pricing is okay-ish in my opinion, but if you need bills, you need the standard version. So I definitely recommend like check also Wave and FreshBooks. Wave is completely for free if you want to do the bills and everything, what you need in the beginning. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.